Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor. Today's product is Simply Done All-Purpose Pine Scented Cleaner. Cleans and deodorizes, cuts grease, removes soap scum. Made in the USA. So look at the label. Got a QR code and everything. I recently found this during my travels and the directions, so I thought I'd buy a bottle of it and give it a try. And it's got an interesting ingredient in it. Are you serious? Right in the middle of the screen. And there's the website for a little bit more information. It's got the typical pine cleaner bottle. So let's get started. Zoom into the bucket and mix some of this up. And as usual, 1 capful per gallon to see if we get any cloud action. It's a little generous with that one, but that's okay. That's got a pretty good smell. It's got a nice pine smell to it. Here's what the product looks like. Nothing unusual. Get the old mop ready to go. And as usual, go over it twice. Making sure to get the baseboards as well. One time. And the second time. And that is a job well done. Seemed like this product worked quite well. It's not very strongly scented, but it's got a pleasant smell. And it suds it up pretty well. The water's quite a bit darker than it was, so it picked up a fair amount of dirt. So, another good product. And once again, this has been cleaning the floor with Simply Done All-Purpose Pine Scented Cleaner. Thank you for watching.